guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm gonna show you how to add the proxy that you want into an MQTT guest software. So here is my software I'm currently using to manage multiple account. So first is the account management. So with this function you can add and manage a limited account that you want. So and you can choose the account I want like this. And you can right click and choose login Facebook, login via browser. And so you can see the software will open the browser like this and will auto log into the account that I choose. Okay, so basically this is the way that I manage and use multiple accounts. So to adding the new proxy is first I will browser, and you will need to prepare the proxy like this. And I will copy this, and I will go to proxy manager and choose static proxy manager. And to add new proxy in this, I will choose add proxy and I will select the format. And I will choose protocol is HTTP and place the proxy here. And I will choose add. So I adding new proxy successful. So this is the way that adding proxy. And you can choose the proxy like this. And you can choose assign proxy and choose the what account you want to assign. So basically I'll show you how to adding the new proxy that you want into MQTT guest software. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation software.